all want to feel our best. It's a universal desire, isn't it? To wake up each morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to take on the day. But how do we achieve that? One of the most significant factors is what we put into our bodies. Eating healthy food is a huge part of that. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, these are the building blocks of a vibrant, healthy life. They provide the essential nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. But sometimes life gets busy. We all know the feeling. Juggling work, family, and personal commitments can leave us feeling like there's no time left for anything else. We think we don't have time to cook healthy meals. The clock seems to be our enemy, constantly ticking away as we rush from one task to the next. It's easy to fall into the trap of convenience foods and takeout. I'm here to tell you that you absolutely do. With a little planning and some simple strategies, you can make healthy eating a part of your daily routine without feeling overwhelmed. It's easier than you think to whip up delicious and nutritious meals in just 10 minutes. Quick stir-fries, salads, and smoothies can be your go-to options. These meals are not only fast to prepare, but also packed with nutrients. Think about how good it feels to nourish your body. Every bite of a healthy meal is a step towards better health. It's a way of showing love and care for yourself. Imagine having more energy throughout the day. When you fuel your body with the right foods, you can feel the difference. You'll have the stamina to power through your tasks and still have energy left for the things you love. Eating healthy can even boost your mood. The nutrients in healthy foods can help regulate your mood and keep you feeling positive. So let's get cooking. Embrace the joy of healthy eating and discover how it can transform your life. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about time-saving tricks. These hacks will not only save you precious minutes, but also make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. These will make healthy cooking a breeze. Imagine having more time to spend with your loved ones or simply relaxing after a long day, all thanks to a few smart strategies. First up, plan your meals ahead of time. This simple step can transform your week. By knowing what you'll be cooking each day, you can avoid the stress of last-minute decisions and ensure you have all the ingredients you need. This prevents those "what's for dinner" dilemmas. No more standing in front of the fridge, wondering what to make. Instead, you'll have a clear plan and can get straight to cooking. Chop veggies on the weekend to save time during the week. Spend an hour or two prepping your vegetables and you'll thank yourself later. Store them in airtight containers and they'll stay fresh and ready to use. And don't be afraid to use pre-washed greens. These are a fantastic time saver. Whether it's spinach, kale, or mixed greens, having them pre-washed means you can toss them straight into your dishes without any extra effort. Another lifesaver, embrace your freezer. Your freezer is your best friend when it comes to saving time. You can freeze almost anything from soups and stews to individual portions of cooked grains and proteins. Frozen fruits and veggies are just as nutritious as fresh. They are picked at their peak ripeness and flash frozen to lock in nutrients. Plus, they're incredibly convenient. Plus, they're ready to go when you are. No washing, peeling, or chopping required. Just grab what you need and add it to your meals. This can be a real game changer on busy nights. Remember, a little planning goes a long way. By taking the time to organize your kitchen and plan your meals, you can make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. So give these hacks a try and see how much time you can save. Our first recipe features a fantastic ingredient, quinoa. This superfood is a complete protein. That means it has all 9 essential amino acids our bodies need. Quinoa is also packed with fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Cooking quinoa is a snap. Simply rinse it in a fine mesh sieve. Then combine it with water in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes. Fluff it with a fork, and it's ready to go. Now let's turn that cooked quinoa into a flavor-packed salad. This recipe is incredibly versatile. You can customize it with your favorite veggies. I love using crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, and vibrant bell peppers. For an extra boost of flavor, toss in some fresh herbs. Chop parsley, cilantro, or mint, add a refreshing touch. And don't forget a zesty dressing. A simple squeeze of lemon juice and a drizzle of olive oil work wonders. Section 5, a rainbow on your plate. Get creative with your quinoa salad. Think of it as a blank canvas for colorful veggies. Love sweet potatoes, roast them in advance and toss them in. Craving some crunch? Add chopped celery or shredded carrots. For a protein punch, add chickpeas or black beans. And if you're feeling fancy, sprinkle on some crumbled feta cheese. This salad is all about using what you have on hand and making it your own. Section 6, blending up a health storm. Ready for a quick and refreshing breakfast or snack? Our next recipe is a protein-packed smoothie. Smoothies are a fantastic way to sneak in tons of nutrients, plus they're ready in a flash. We'll start with a base of frozen fruit. Bananas, berries, or mangoes all work well. Frozen fruit adds sweetness and a creamy texture. Next, we'll add a source of protein. Greek yogurt, protein powder, or even nut butter are great options. Section 7, Supercharge your smoothie. Here's where the real fun begins. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrition into one delicious drink. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a post-workout refuel, or a healthy snack, a smoothie can be your go-to option. But why settle for just any smoothie when you can supercharge it with some amazing nutrient-dense ingredients? Let's supercharge our smoothie with healthy additions. Start with a base of your favorite fruits. Berries, bananas, and mangoes are all excellent choices. They not only add natural sweetness, but are also loaded with vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Next, consider adding a source of protein. This could be a scoop of protein powder, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or even a handful of nuts or seeds. Protein helps keep you full and supports muscle repair and growth. Leafy greens like spinach or kale blend in seamlessly. These greens are nutritional powerhouses, rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and calcium. The best part? You won't even taste them in your smoothie, but you'll get all the benefits. If you're new to adding greens, start with a small handful and gradually increase the amount as you get used to the taste. You won't even taste them, but you'll get a boost of vitamins and minerals. To make your smoothie even more nutritious, consider adding some healthy fats. Healthy fats are essential for brain health, hormone production, and overall well-being. They also help keep you satisfied for longer. For an extra dose of healthy fats, add a tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart health benefits. They also add a nice texture to your smoothie. If you prefer a smoother consistency, you can soak the seeds in water for a few minutes before adding them to the blender. These little powerhouses are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies can't produce on their own, so it's important to get them from our diet. They help reduce inflammation, support brain health, and may even improve mood. Adding them to your smoothie is an easy way to boost your intake. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a pinch of turmeric or ginger for their anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger is great for digestion and can add a spicy kick to your smoothie. Just a small amount of these spices can make a big difference in both flavor and health benefits. So go ahead, experiment with different ingredients and find your perfect supercharged smoothie recipe.
Section 8. Taste test time. Okay, folks, it's time for the best part, tasting our creations. I couldn't wait to dig into my quinoa salad and smoothie. The quinoa salad was bursting with fresh flavors. The crunchy veggies and zesty dressing were the perfect combination. And the smoothie, absolutely delicious. It was thick, creamy, and packed with protein and nutrients. I felt energized and satisfied after finishing it. Trust me, these recipes won't disappoint. Section 9, Flavor Adventures, make it your own. Remember, these recipes are just starting points. Don't be afraid to experiment with different ingredients and flavor combinations. Have some leftover roasted chicken, dice it up and add it to your quinoa salad. Want a tropical twist in your smoothie? Use pineapple and coconut milk. The possibilities are endless. Get creative in the kitchen and have fun with it. You might even discover new favorite flavor combinations. Section 10. Embrace the quick and healthy lifestyle. So there you have it. 2 incredibly delicious and nutritious meals that you can whip up in 10 minutes or less. Eating healthy doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. With a little planning and these simple recipes, you can fuel your body with the goodness it deserves. Make healthy eating a part of your daily routine. Your body will thank you for it. Section 11. Your journey to delicious wellness. Start incorporating these quick and healthy meals into your life. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make nutritious choices. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Now go forth and create some culinary magic in your own kitchen. I can't wait to hear about all the delicious and healthy meals you create.